Hey there! In this intermediate lesson, we're going to dive deep into SEO, or search engine optimization. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step, so you'll have a clear understanding of how to use SEO to boost your business's online presence. Ready? Let's get started. Welcome to this lesson on boosting your SEO, monitoring made easy. Today, we're going to enter the world of SEO monitoring. Whether you've just started working on your website, or you're already familiar with SEO, understanding how to monitor your SEO performance is key to long-term success. By the end of this lesson, you'll have practical tools and insights to help you track, evaluate, and improve your website's visibility. Let's get right into it. So, why is SEO monitoring so important? Well, imagine spending hours creating great content, but not knowing how well it performs online. SEO monitoring lets you track your website's visibility, keyword rankings, and user engagement over time. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can see what works and what doesn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Think of it like driving a car. You've got to check your GPS to make sure you're headed in the right direction. So, what are the key benefits of SEO monitoring? First and foremost, it enhances your website's visibility. By tracking your rankings and identifying areas for improvement, you can boost your organic traffic and conversion rates. Another major benefit is competitive analysis. You can monitor competitors' strategies to stay one step ahead. SEO monitoring also gives you valuable insights into user behavior, helping you optimize content to better engage your audience. And of course, it helps you identify technical issues, like broken links or missing meta tags, which can drag down your rankings. Next, let's talk about key performance indicators, or KPIs. KPIs are measurable values that help you understand how well your website is doing. For SEO, some important KPIs are organic traffic, keyword rankings, average time on page, and bounce rate. Tracking these KPIs regularly helps you identify areas for improvement and measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. Let's start with organic traffic, which refers to visitors who find your website through unpaid search results. It's a key metric to measure how well your content is attracting people. By focusing on organic traffic, you can see which pages are drawing the most visitors and where you need to optimize further. Keyword ranking is all about understanding how well your site is performing for specific search terms. If you're ranking high for your target keywords, that's a good sign that your SEO strategies are working. If not, it may be time to revise your content or target different keywords. Average time on page shows how long users are staying on each of your website's pages. If visitors are spending more time on a page, it means they're finding the content useful. If the time is short, you might need to make the page more engaging or relevant to their needs. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page. A high bounce rate could mean that your content isn't meeting visitors' expectations, or that your website's navigation needs improvement. Lowering this rate increases the chances of visitors exploring more of your site and possibly converting into customers. Let's put this into perspective with an example. Sarah runs a small online business and regularly tracks her organic traffic, keyword rankings, and bounce rates. She notices that some pages get a lot of traffic, but have high bounce rates. By analyzing this, she realizes those pages aren't providing the information visitors are looking for. After making some adjustments, she lowers her bounce rate and increases engagement. That's the power of SEO monitoring. It helps you fine-tune your strategy for better result. Let's move on to off-page KPIs, particularly backlinks. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. If high-quality, authoritative sites link to your content, search engines view your site as trustworthy, which boosts your rankings. However, remember that the quality of backlinks is more important than quantity. A few high-quality backlinks can do more for your SEO than hundreds of low-quality ones. This table shows which characteristics good backlinks have, and which should be avoided. Just to mention one, ensure that you always link to publications that are relevant to your business, and avoid creating backlinks to publications that don't have any connections to your content. What makes a backlink high quality? Several factors come into play: the authority of the linking website, the relevance of the content, and even the placement of the link itself. For instance, a link embedded within the main content of a page is far more valuable than one buried in a footer or sidebar. Search engines value links from trusted, reputable sites with similar content to yours, and they prioritize these links when determining your ranking. The relevance of the website linking to you is key. A backlink from a related industry or topic signals to search engines that your content is credible and valuable. Additionally, the destination of the backlink should be a well-optimized, relevant page on your site. Ideally, it should be a page that provides valuable information to the user and encourages further engagement. Another important aspect of backlinks is the anchor text, which is the clickable text that leads users to your site. It should be descriptive and relevant to the content it links to. The placement of the backlink within the content is also critical. Backlinks embedded within the main content of a page, where they are more likely to be noticed and clicked, carry more weight than those in less prominent locations like footers. Now, while quality is crucial, quantity also plays a role. More backlinks from reputable sources can improve your site's authority. However, remember that quantity should never come at the expense of quality. A balanced approach, focusing on both the number of links and their quality, will help you achieve better results. Generally, having around 40 to 50 backlinks to your homepage and up to 100 per page is a good benchmark, but always prioritize reputable sources. Page load time is another crucial factor. If your website is slow, it not only frustrates visitors, but also affects your ranking on search engines. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you monitor this, and making improvements can lead to better SEO results and user experience. For your pages to appear in Google search results, they need to be indexed. A simple way to check if your pages are indexed is to use the site operator on Google. This will show you which of your pages are listed in the search engine's database, and help you troubleshoot if something's missing. Lastly, mobile optimization is essential. With more than half of Google searches coming from mobile devices, it's critical to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. A great mobile experience can improve your rankings and bring in more traffic. To make SEO monitoring easier, there are several tools at your disposal. Google Analytics helps you track user behavior and conversions, while Google Search Console focuses on search performance and indexing issues. Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz are also excellent for keyword research, backlink analysis, and competitor tracking. Using these tools can provide valuable insights that guide your SEO strategy. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. SEO monitoring is the backbone of a successful online presence. By consistently tracking your performance and making data-driven decisions, you'll not only improve your website's visibility, but also stay ahead of the competition. I encourage you to start exploring these tools and KPIs, and watch how your SEO efforts pay off over time. Thanks for joining, and good luck boosting your SEO.